Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I now have the sheer pleasure and honor of welcoming our chief guest, the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, to the stage to address this august gathering in your big round of applause.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Jam Kamal Khan, Minister for Commerce, Mr. Ali Pervez, Minister for Energy, Secretary Commerce, Khwaja Jawad Pal, and CEO TDAP, Excellencies and very distinguished CEOs, entrepreneurs, traders, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen, it's really a great pleasure to be here, to be with you on this wonderful event of HEMS 2025. And it's very heartening to see a gathering of outstanding businessmen and experts from around the globe, from China to Africa to Middle East to Europe and United States of America, Turkey, and many other countries with whom we have wonderful and very cordial relations, including business and investment portfolios. Ladies and gentlemen, I am extremely delighted to share this with you that you are here in a very historic city which has a history spanning over thousands of years. And I'd like to appreciate and congratulate Minister of Commerce, Secretary of Commerce and his team, and all other related departments to organize such a wonderful event. Welcome ministers from Uganda and our ambassador from China, Mr. Hashmi. He has done a remarkable job, and Turkish Consul General and Chinese Consul General over here, and all other our dignitaries, our friends from foreign countries. Here is an opportunity. Pakistan is marching towards growth and prosperity. In this hall, you will find great minds in the field of engineering, pharmaceutical industry, agriculture, agricultural machinery, mines and minerals, and of course, information technology and AI. But above all, we have a very young population. Our young population probably comprise of more than 60% of our total population in the bracket of 15 to 30 years. And they are great minds. They are equipping themselves with modern techniques, vocational training which we are offering them in Islamabad. Here in Punjab, the Chief Minister is doing a great job in this province, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, Chief Minister of Sindh, Shah Sahab, Balochistan, and KP. And God Almighty has bestowed upon Pakistan very valuable natural resources. And here is the opportunity to have joint ventures in the field of mines and minerals. I've just gone through that great exhibition where you have stalls of gems, jewelry, agricultural machinery, stones, and lots of other pharmaceutical and other wonderful stalls you will see there. And that shows our strength, which we want to combine with all of you representing countries all around the world. And the agreements which you have signed during this visit will lead all of us to a journey of shared prosperity and progress. And here we are offering you great opportunities in these fields. And let us have innovation, let us have research and development, and let us have most modern technologies which would result into economic production, more employment, and getting rid of those costs of production which make us uncompetitive vis-a-vis other countries. Therefore, as you all know, and I would like to reiterate at the cost of repetition, that today Pakistan inflation has come down to 1.5% from 38% a year and a half ago. Our policy rate has come down from 22.5% to 12%. As you all know, that energy cost and the cost of electricity has major contribution towards cost of production of any product. It varies from steel to textile and so on and so forth. In this sector, recently we have investments in Pakistan in the shape of joint ventures and forming companies with shareholding. And particularly in the field of mines and minerals, I would like to invite you to please come, and all our friends sitting here from more than 60 countries, you're all invited to come and study the potential of mines and minerals in Pakistan, study the potential of agriculture in Pakistan, and of course, in the field of information technology. These are areas which provide you with vistas of opportunities for very profitable investments. And I want to assure you, ladies and gentlemen, along with my very able colleagues and our Pakistani diplomats who have worked very hard, this entire team, to arrange this magnificent show which reflects the interest of our foreign friendly and brotherly countries to visit Pakistan and study very closely the investment opportunities we are offering. And I would like to be nothing but Chief Executive Officer of Pakistan to serve you and to facilitate you. And in true sense of the word, or rather truest sense of the word, create enabling environment, ease of business, which will transform this entire efforts of yours into something which will draw great dividends for all of us. And this gathering should now culminate into some solid proposals, and I would encourage Minister of Commerce, Minister of Energy, and Honorable Secretaries, parliamentarians, and our Honorable diplomats, ambassadors, council generals, to sit down with Minister of Commerce, Industries, Agriculture, Information Technology. Come to Islamabad. I will request you to sit down with them this evening while you are breaking bread with them. Please make a solid proposal and bring them to Islamabad. I will sit with you and with them and have something tangible so they can go back to their countries and say that they have invested their wonderful time in Pakistan, not only to negotiate deals, profitable business ventures, but also they will carry beautiful memories of Pakistan and Lahore back to their countries. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. It's a wonderful evening. God bless you. Pakistan, Zindabad.
पाकिस्तान की 60% से ज़ायद आबादी नौजवानों पर मुश्तमिल है। पाकिस्तानी नौजवान ख़ुद को जदीद तकनीक और पेशा वराना तरबियत से आरास्ता कर रहे हैं। इंजीनियरिंग, फार्मास्यूटिकल, ज़राअत, मादनियात में बेपनाह सलाहियत मौजूद है। पॉलिसी रेट 22% से कम होकर 12% पर आ गया है। कानूनी के शोबे में मुश्तरका मनसूबे शुरू करने का बेहतरीन मौका है। मौशी तौर पर पाकिस्तान तरक्की और इस्तेहकाम की जानिब गामज़न हो चुका है और ज़राअत, ज़राई मशीनरी, अद्वियात और दीगर स्टॉल्स भी मौजूद है। पाकिस्तान में बेपनाह सलाहियत मौजूद है। हम आपको उसके साथ जोड़ना चाहते हैं। नुमाइश के मौके पर कई मुल्कों के साथ समझौतों और मुआहदों पर दस्तखत किए गए। वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ हेल्थ, इंजीनियरिंग एंड मिनरल्स शो से खिताब कर रहे थे।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।